Hello everybody, all right, welcome to my channel. How did they say it? Oh my god, I'm so excited. This is Kosi Dumzi officially hey, officially welcoming you to YouTube channel. Oh, I can't wait to grow here with you. I want to share lots and lots of things with you, especially on how to make money where on social media. Now, the main purpose of this channel is to build on social media followers that can lead to money for us. That's very simple. Followers, people that we can turn to money, people that we can connect to that will turn to money for us. That is the main purpose for this channel. You need to subscribe right away, turn on the notification button. Once I post, you are getting the notification immediately. The best way is not to depend on your family. Yes, we do it a lot. We think that when we start a business, people will have people, they have money, they buy this, they buy that. And when you have started, you now notice that you've talked to this person, they are not even sharing your posts. People are not going to celebrate you until you become popular, until you've made it. I need you to understand that you need to connect to strangers on social media if you actually want to grow. And it's not about you being a shy person. I'm existing because a stranger who is my father met a stranger who is my mother and became together, and that is how I came into existence. The strangers you don't know are the people who help you to grow more. They are the people who will help you keep legacy on earth. You should understand that you should break free from friends, from families, from acquaintances, and get into the world, make more money, because where the money is where the people are. How do you connect to these people? That is a target for this channel. So have it at the back of your mind that the strangers are the target for social media. How can you set your app so that these people can actually connect to you? And the more they connect, the more you build with strangers, the more money. I'll be sharing educative posts on how you can build your social media. Okay, oftentimes I would also like to share my lifestyle. It's not really what I want to do, but I want to share part of it with you so that you know that it's not really easy doing certain things. All right, I hardly take this out of WhatsApp. I'm so used to teaching on my WhatsApp groups, personal one-on-one trainings and all that. But then I reasoned, why not get into YouTube and do more videos? I don't really like videos, so listen, I'm kind of a shy, secluded person, and I was like, how am I going to do this? I don't know, how do I start? I don't really know if I can actually do this, but I'm going to give it a try, and this is me starting up with it, and I want to keep up with it because I'm not just doing this because of you. I want to grow as well. I want to learn new strategies outside what I've learned. No knowledge is a waste, and the moment you stop learning, that is the moment that your life becomes stagnant. This is like a story for me. It's like a history for me. I'm keeping this because I want to look back in years to come and say, I've actually grown. I've actually become better than this. Is it me? I was shy. Now, there are so many things you can do to make money online. There are so many strategies you can apply. Right now, it's not just about keeping yourself in one particular location to market yourself, especially those who are into business and all that. You can actually use social media to help yourself. Wherever you are listening to me right now, as long as you can listen to me, it means you have a gadget, a smartphone that can be of great help to you. So what you do with that smartphone will determine how far you can go in life. You can either stay and complain, government, no job, complain this and that, or you join me, let's work together. You join me, let's do this together. Let's see how we can actually do more. You understand? Because the more you want to learn, the more you want to apply, the more you make money. Many people want to make money. Nobody hates money. The only thing is that you don't know the right thing to do. Why? Because you don't have a mentor. You don't have the right information on where to put in your money. Sometimes when you do, you make mistakes because you don't have who you take instructions from. That is why we are here, and that is why my channel is here. How can we get this done? How can we? How? That's the way the rich grow. How? They ask questions on how they can actually elevate themselves. How can we, you and I, how can we grow together in this social media space? What do? You go for people that know what to do, learn from them. What is this person doing that I'm not doing? What is this person doing right that I'm doing wrong? All you need to do is to learn. It's not, yeah, this is not about ego, it's not about pride. You need to relax. In fact, sometimes you need to be a coward for you to make this money. You need to be a coward because you need to learn, you need to be humble. So this is not even the time to say I can do better than this. I've seen people who say I can sell wig. It's not to dance. Dance online, comb your hair, do this. People will come and patronize you. But honestly, it is not as easy as that, because once they start, they'll be like, oh, it is so tiring. And that is when you see them quitting. What are the best ways that you can actually get certain things done when you are in the online space and you want to build your online space? How do I get this done? In social media, billions are there, and it's not limited to a few persons. That's what we don't know. Internet is very broad. It's not just limited. They have it and they can do it. You can do it as well. Okay, don't say I don't have the capital, I don't have this. If you are listening to me, it's enough capital for you to start. Having a smartphone, having a gadget to get information is the best thing you can ever have in this age right now. That is just the best thing. Okay, you don't need to complain about anything at all. You don't need to say I don't have this. Just target what you can do with what you have. That is just the simple truth. Excuses will not give you the money you want. But getting started, don't bother about perfection. And this is why I'm even shooting this video right now, because I want to tell myself that perfection is not that thing you have aspired to do. That's the target. Get it done. It doesn't matter whether it is classy, it's all this. Getting started is the best. When you ask yourself every day, what have I been able to achieve today? You look back and say, okay, I have done this today, I have done this, I have done this, I've learned this, I've learned this, and I've applied what I have learned. You will see that when you are applying what you've learned, you grow more. You notice that, oh, it's not actually as the person was doing it. It's easier when they are showing you, but when you start applying it, you learn more on your mistakes, because you're actually going to have some mistakes. You'll be like, it's not this thing this person did. So that is why when you learn something, I'm just telling you that whatever I'm going to share with you on this channel, apply immediately. And then come back to me and ask questions. You can drop it on the comment section of any of the videos. You can drop it in my inbox on WhatsApp. Let's grow together. The more you practice on that thing you have learned, the more you begin to grow. It's not just about watching my videos to learn and learn and learn, and you are not applying them. So try as much as possible to apply everything that you're going to be learning here, and I promise you this is going to be the best, because we might be doing mostly practicals. Okay, I'm so engrossed with screenshots, WhatsApp. I'm trying to look for how I can build more on videos so that people can actually see it done live on videos and apply it on their social media apps, and then be able to get whatever it is, whether to grow followers, to make more money. I'm going to also allow you to drop your comments on the comment sections and let's know if you are ready to ride with me. I just want you to put on your seatbelts, stay tight, because we are going to drive and enjoy this ride together. Are you ready? all right. Thank you, and welcome once again to my channel. Stay tuned. Bye.